Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't been here. Okay, technically I filmed a video 2 days ago and then the footage was just not it. So I'm just like, you know what, let me just re-record. Today is a new day. I'm feeling very colorful, green, gray kind of look. Also because it is raining outside and it's gray as shit. Today I just really want... Excuse me? Today I really just want to film. I'm here with Sushi, by the way. You guys didn't know, Sushi is my doggy. We need a bath. And this is the first video I'm filming of this year. I really just want to come in here, sit down, let you guys know what's been going on, focus on the makeup. I feel like I really want to play with makeup. I stopped using makeup and became a clean girly, and then I'm just like, you know what, I miss doing makeup, I miss freelancing. So I'm here for like colorful makeup, dark aesthetic, grungy makeup. You know I'm here for it. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Shantae Nicole and I'm really excited to have you guys here on my channel. Make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Just get right into the video, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that shit. Let me know down below what other video suggestions you guys have, but let's just get right into the video.
You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done, 'cause I've been crying ocean.
First of all, let me just... I have an obsession, okay? I really do drink them every day. As you guys know, or you guys don't know, I'm a collector of makeup. I love collecting. My favorite palettes have always been Morphe. I was a Morphe stan, and also like OG Anastasia. Like, we're talking about OG Anastasia. I took out my old Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the Dark Magic one. The black one kind of broke, but I have the old first Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, which, bitch, it's such a good palette. I've used this so many times. I created so many beautiful aesthetic looks. I'll post pictures of here of what kind of looks I've created with this. I've taken this whenever it is I wanted to do like bridal makeup to all like my freelancers, cleaned the top surface of it. So I know it's not really good for you, but bitch, I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm using it on my eyes. The Limoncello palette from ColourPop. It looks like this. The only reason why I took this palette out was because of this blue right here. Kind of matches the aesthetic. Hold up, my bestie's calling and she has cheese that bitch. Like, the tea is brewing. Hold up, bitch, give me the tea.
I need a list of lawyers, dude.
Prime my lid. I want to do a rounded eye with lashes and grungy, bluish, cool tone, green type of look. Sounds very fucking appealing to me. I'm using the Magic Touch concealer from Anastasia. By the way, I'm only doing one eye and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Limoncello palette from ColourPop. I'm gonna start with the blue from here, which is iconic. It matches my shirt. It's called La Fiesta, and it's looking like not the color that I thought it was gonna be. This eyeshadow reminds me of like a hooker at like 2 a.m. hungover hooker. This green right there, I'm gonna mix a little bit with this turquoisey aquamarine blue.
Yeah, you had me from.
I feel like I don't know how I want it to look like. Do I want it to look like bluish greenish type of look? Do I want it to look more cool tone? Do I want it to look like a round-eyed kind of look? Do I want it to like wing it out a little bit? I don't freaking know.
My day.
I want to deepen that blue a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this dark navy blue. Then I'm just gonna grab this green. I'm gonna add a little bit of like black to this, just a tiny bit, just to deepen the outer V out.
Amazing is the moonlight that.
I'm gonna cut my crease, and I wasn't really planning on cutting my crease, but a bitch is gonna do it anyways.
Not so bright, it's an understatement.
I feel like I want to do something silvery now, just because it would give like this very like eclipsey kind of look. So let me pull out a cool tone like silver. So I did say that I was gonna go ahead and pull out some old palettes that I have. I'm gonna take out the Conspiracy palette. I want to use this silvery shade. By the way, don't mind my nails. I know they look like shit, okay? Okay, first of all, screw this brush. We're doing it with our finger. Ooh, a little bit of that, and a little bit of this, and a little bit of this. Just mix all of them fucking in, okay? And we're gonna blend all this out. Now that I have this going on, I feel like I want to do a little bit of liner, but I want to use a green liner that I have, and it's from AOA Studio. It's in the shade green. It's from the brand Artista. I'll leave everything linked down below. Tell me if it's not a good green, you guys. That green to me is like, bitch, I need to show you guys what it looks like with the lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off of camera. Let me be right back real quick to show you guys the result or what it looks like, and then we'll be back to finish off the rest of the face. Okay, so this is what the makeup is looking like. But I'm gonna add a little bit of this gold beam highlighter to my face, and I don't really use this like a lot. A little bit of this. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this cream right here. Oh, I'm gonna add a little bit to my skin. I hate that this smells like grandma. I feel like if my grandmas were alive, this is what they would smell like. I'm gonna be using my Laura Mercier foundation. This is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation, and I feel like it's a little lighter than what I'd like. Oh bitch, yeah, it's a little light. It's gonna work out in the end, okay? And I'm very itchy. When my sister gets here, I'm gonna switch to like doing a voiceover because I hate filming like in front of people. I just don't like it. So we're going to switch to a voiceover when my sister gets here. Halo Glow Foundation, and just use this as a bronzer. And then I'm going to spray a little bit of this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer water. Okay, so I have been in law school for a few months now, and bitch, let me tell you that every month, oh my god, I feel like it gets harder. Instead of getting easier and manageable, it's getting so hard. Like, I have a full-time job. I'm also a full-time student. Most of my family are the ones that are like talking shit. I don't really talk to a lot of my family members, and the ones that I do are like, oh my god, good for you, we're so proud of you. I'm gonna conceal using the Anastasia concealer. Already know your place is my sister just texted me that she's on her way, and I'm just like, oh my god, because I really hate recording in front of people. My sister is very natural. She doesn't like to wear a lot of makeup. When she wears makeup, all she does is a little bit of concealer to cover up her blemishes and mascara. I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery flour powder. I'm gonna set my under eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to a voiceover because my sister got here. Your place is like I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. Like you do. I'm gonna use this palette that I have from Morphe 8R palette. I'm gonna use this blush right there and mix it in with a little bit of that. So just wanted to come on in here and finish off the video for you guys because I don't know, I just don't like filming in front of people, and my sister, even though I love her to friggin' death, I just can't. So I ended up just using e.l.f. highlighter on my cheeks, and I haven't used highlighter in so long, but I am smoking out my lower lash and then quickly moved on to lips. I'm using a brow pencil, but it works so good for the lips. By the way, it's $1, using an AOA Studio lipstick as well from, you know, obviously AOA. It's also $1, just so you know. But that's the end of the video, guys. Just wanted to come in here real quick. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.